everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oluchi J. So today, sorry for the interruption. I'll take care of her later. Today I actually want to do this new YouTubers tag questions. I was supposed to do it earlier on, like before now, but I have no idea about it. So I found out and I'm like, yeah, I'm still quite new, very new if you ask me. So I'll be asking myself questions about me and my channel, and I would answer them. So here I have a list of questions from my phone, because I got it from the internet actually. So the first question is, what is your name and the name of your channel? My full name is Ukeje Oluchi Judith. My channel name is Oluchi J. Then it says, second question, what does the name of your channel mean? Well, it's Oluchi J. Oluchi means God's work, is an Igbo name. Then the J stands for Judith. I think it means gratitude, praise, something. So that's that. Third question, where are you from? I'm from Imo State. Imo State, yeah. Then fourth question, why did you start a YouTube channel? Well, let's say, naturally, I love staying in front of camera. Like whenever I'm in my room, like, and I get locked up and stuff, I just like doing stuff like my camera and myself. And secondly, also I started just to look for a means to impact positively on people. Yeah, I know you might not be feeling it now, but we'll get there. Then the fifth question is, why did your channel, what is your channel about? Well, basically it's about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, which includes like traveling to places, knowing how to do stuff on the budget, like cool places to visit, maybe in Nigeria or any other country I may be in. So the sixth question is, who is your target audience? I say young girls, young girls, the moms, not really the moms for now, but more of young girls and guys too. I don't just want it to be a channel where it's just females that just come to click through. I want, if a guy goes into my channel too, he would actually find something that would benefit him. So I'll say both. Then the seventh question, what do you hope to achieve with your channel? Well, like I said earlier, first I want to be of positive impact, like in this generation, like amongst the females too. And then secondly, I want my channel to be where you could go sometimes to get answers, not just for the entertainment stuff. Like you could get answers, because I would like to use it as a means to educate people, and like related to whatever it is I'm doing in my channel. So they're like 8th question. Top 3 favorite YouTube. Well, my first person is Patricia Bright. I love her. She's so amazing. Like I I don't think there's any of our posts that I don't actually go through. And secondly, I love Jackie Aina. She's very diverse too with her doings, and she's a very lively person. Like, I love her personality. And I think the third person, which I just discovered and I love his channel for whatever it is he's doing in it, is Hiram. Is more into skincare and stuff. Then if you permit me to add a fourth song that does something related to what I've been adding to my channel, is like the Tayo Aina films. I like his concept too. So, and the ninth question: who inspired you to start a channel? Well, my brother did. He's a YouTuber too. That's Josh Ali. Yeah, you guys should check on him sometimes. Then, 10th question: if you would collab with anyone right now, who would it be? Patricia. Right. Then, I think, yeah, 11th question: 3 things you should know about you. I like food, lots of it. And also, I am a lively person. I'm free-spirited. I don't really have issues until you cross me. Then lastly, I would say, well, I don't know, just that normal girl in the street. Yeah, nothing much to know about me. Yeah, nothing much here for now. Then what is it? I think we're at the 11th, 12th question, if not 13th. God, I've lost count. Then what do you think is the hardest thing? What do you think the hardest thing would be about becoming a YouTuber? Personally, I think it's gaining loyalty from your subscribers, like gaining their trust, for them to trust you enough to subscribe and stay and stick with you. Be your ride or die. But well, I think that will be it. And yeah, getting subscribers in general, loyal ones. Then what do you think the most rewarding thing will be? For me, I think the most rewarding thing will be when at the end of it, or not the end, like after all this, or while all these are still on, then I get like sponsors. I get truly people that actually look at my channel, see my works, appreciate it, I want to partner with me. Yeah, with that I will know yet that my voice is being heard somewhere. Do you know, that's recognition. It's going to be really, really rewarding for me. Then the second to the last question: do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Come on, girl. A very, very long time. In fact, I'll be haunting your screen from now on. Have that in mind. Enough drama. Then the last question would be: do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? Well, I would say be patient. It's really hard for us, like, most especially this time that we're trying to get to like 100. We're still struggling, we're still doing all we can, we're still doing this, doing that. I'm just going to say, just keep money aside for now. Focus on gaining people trust. Because I'm sure if I can be able to gain the amount of trust of a lot of people, which will finally be my subscribers, I feel, yeah, I feel it will be most rewarding too. So just try as much as you can to be patient and do all you can. Don't kill yourself. Don't go about and being depressed about this whole starting process, or don't go quitting on yourself, you know. So that's all the questions for today. I don't really have much. This is one of the things I'll be doing, if not more or less for now, that we can't all be out there due to the stay-at-home quarantine stuff. So I hope you guys are still keeping safe. You know, do the right thing. Wash your hands, use your hand sanitizer. You do, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click on the notification bell so whenever I upload videos you get them firsthand. So thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me today. I hope you like this video. Thank you. See you next time.